We have a follow-up tonight to an 8 on Your Side investigation. Angelo's Recycled Materials, the company that wants to build a landfill a little more than a mile from the green swamp, says it's confident in the dump's design. If the state approves the landfill, it will sit in Dade City off Messick and Janmar roads. But tonight, senior investigative reporter Steve Andrews tells us a consultant hired by Angelo says the dump's design violates state rules and has serious flaws.
Pipes that collect the runoff, or leachate, will lie beneath the proposed garbage dump Angelo's Recycled Materials hopes to build in Dade City. According to a consultant hired by Angelo's last year, that is a serious design flaw. Reached in Virginia by phone, Joseph Fluitt, a professional engineer, says in his opinion, if those pipes go in as designed, they will violate landfill rules in the Florida Administrative Code.
You're not supposed to put the leachate collection or removal system pipes under the water table.
The landfill will cover 90 acres, 6 15-acre sections. It'll sit about a mile from the Green Swamp and the Withlacoochee River. 4 rivers flow from the swamp, providing much of Central Florida's drinking water. Garbage at the landfill will stack 150 feet high. Opponents worry as the garbage breaks down into liquid or leachate, it may leak and contaminate nearby water supplies. Fluitt warns pipes beneath the landfill will be subjected to enormous loads. If one of those pipes carrying leachate leaks, clogs, or breaks, he claims there's no way to fix it.
The only way you can fix it would be to dig down and remove all the waste. You literally have to take all the waste out of the landfill and move it somewhere else.
Project manager John Arnold insists the leachate removal system is successfully in use at several facilities in Florida. He says there is no violation of FDEP rules and promises if there's a leak, they'll find it and fix it.
What we would do is we would go in and we would figure out what was wrong and then remediate it, all the way from ultimately digging up the 15-acre cell if that's what the engineers or the regulators deemed necessary.
Angelo's hired Fluitt in May 2008 to review its application for a landfill permit. In June, he wrote a report listing his concerns. He and the company disagreed on compensation. In January, Fluitt prepared a report for the landfill's opponents listing similar concerns, like the monitoring wells needed to be closer, and leachate collection and removal pipes are too close to the water table, which he says is a violation of Florida's administrative code. Arnold says there is no violation, and the state agrees. However, Fluitt's report gave regulators pause, enough to delay any decision for a month. In Pasco County, Steve Andrews, News Channel 8.
Fluitt chaired a task force that helped DEP write the last major revision of landfill rules for the state of Florida and says he thinks he knows the intent of the law. The state makes a decision on the future of the landfill next week.